the Tire Lady here at Dent Tires. We're here to show you the difference between knowing when your tires are good and when your tires are bald. Alright, let's go ahead and proceed with the demonstration.
Back in the day, the old schools would tell you, take a penny, stick it in your tread. As Jay would demonstrate, stick it in the groove, and from there you can tell exactly how much tread is on the tire. Typically, if the tread is up to a certain point, that means you got good tread. But nowadays, most repair shops, the professional way to do it, they got what they call a wear indicator bar, which is, it goes across the whole tire. You see these little lines that kind of raise up in between the treads? It goes over the tire. Now, the technology is everything over that wear indicator bar. So all your traction, your handling, your drivability, and your responsiveness is everything over that wear indicator bar. Now guys, have you ever had a situation where that little squiggly line comes on your dash when it's raining and you're sliding or your tires are spinning? The car is trying to tell you that your treads are low. Have you ever experienced that, Jay?
Yes, I have, and it is a very dangerous situation, especially being a mom and having a little one. It can be very scary. So yes, I have experienced that.
We here at Dent Tires, we pride ourselves on educating our customers, letting them know what are good tires, what are bad tires, what are bald tires. But most people, they really don't know. And what we don't want is to sell you a tire and or you've been driving on our tire, and then you want to come and get a check just to make sure that they're still in good standing. So what we try to do, we bring you in, we examine the tire, we look at everything from the tread, what causes the tires to wear prematurely, and I'm going to get into that. Let's talk about some of the things that can cause a tire to wear out. As we walk around the car and we look at all the various tires, this tire still looks great. This particular tire still looks great. And this tire still looks great. Let's remove some of this debris. But as we walk around, you can see the tread still looks great. Most time when you have things like a bad alignment, it can wear on one side of the tire here or in here. If you ride on the tires underinflated, they can wear down prematurely. Going back to the alignment, if the alignment is out, the tires can routinely wear out about 3 times as fast. Underinflation, twice as fast. Overinflation, twice as fast. Most tires, when they're underinflated, typically they wear twice as fast. So what we want is safety. Safety is our main priority. Hopefully, in this video, we've discussed a few options of staying safe. That is, keep a good alignment. Get one alignment a year, but check it every 6 months. Check your air pressure every month, because all tires lose 2 to 3 pounds of pressure a month. I would say always check your tires. Anytime you're about to make a good trip, go out with the family, always check your tire tread and keep them rotated. Rotate them every other oil change, which is every other oil change or every 6,000 miles or 6 months. Some people go by time, some people go by just the oil change. Hopefully during this video is informed you a lot about tires, tread, traction, safety, responsiveness, handling, and hopefully we've answered a lot of questions. Do I have bad tires, good tires, bald tires? Hopefully we've answered this. But these tires, A-OK, safe to drive on. Take a trip, take the family out. Until next time, this is Enrique Dent with Dent Tires. Tune in, subscribe. Thank you.